On the 1st of February this year, the new National Police Complaint and Conduct Regulations came into force. These new regulations put individual learning and organisational learning at the core of the complaint system, with the emphasis being on putting things right through clear actions and constructive outcomes. Now, that approach is good for the police service because reflective practice, thinking about what's gone wrong and how to do things better, will encourage open and honest discussion. It'll allow areas for improvement to be identified earlier, and it'll enable prompt positive action to be taken. Now, that's good for our communities because supervisors, that could be the local sergeant or inspector and the equivalent in staff roles, that those local supervisors are empowered to deal with low-level matters more efficiently and more effectively, and that in turn will free up our professional standards department to deal with the higher level misconduct matters, the serious matters that need to be dealt with. Police and crime commissioners and those who work with us also have a greater role to play in the future. That involves preventing protracted investigations by holding the Independent Office for Police Conduct and our Professional Standards Department to account if they fail to complete an investigation within 12 months. That sounds a long time, but sometimes investigations have gone on for a long period of time after a complaint. We also will oversee the review process when a member of our communities expresses unhappiness about the outcome of a complaint or about how the complaint has been handled. A central part of my role is engaging with local communities, with the local public, and encouraging feedback on policing issues and performance. What are we doing well? Where could we improve? It's a way of making sure that I have a rich picture of local views and concerns in order to help me and to inform the police and crime plan, which sets out our ambitions.